Everyone. So last week we have done two hands-on session. First one is very easy, recording on Audacity. So I'm going to skip it. I'm going to make a video on the second part where we are using ELAN software for annotation. So it's very simple. First we have to open the ELAN software. Once you open it, once you install it and open it, you will get something like this. Then what you have to do, you have to simply, I have shared one file. You just drag this file on the software. Right, so as soon as you drag this, you will get this layout, right? So next thing which you have to do is you have to create a type, right? So you have to delete, but before deleting you will get a warning. So you have to first delete the tire. So there is a default tire, you delete it, delete, yes, right? And then you close this, then you go to type, delete the tire type, default tire type, you delete, and then you add new one. So what is the type name? Talk. Rest of the thing you don't change it, simply add it and then close it. So this is how you add a tire type. Now we will add two tires for two speaker. So first tire name will be person 1. You can give a name also, speaker 1, person 1, anything. Annotator is done by you, so you can write your name. Then tire type, since we have only one, so it is coming as talk. Then you go to more option, then you change the tire color. You go to browse and then you go to swatches, you select a blue or any color, okay, and then apply. So then you have to check this also, all tire with same participants will have the same color, and apply. So this is how you add person 1. Again you have to add person 2. In case there are 2 person in your conversation, if there are more, you can add multiple more persons. But as of now we are just going to add 2. And then again annotator is you. Again you go to more option, browse, swatches, then you take red. So first one is blue, apply. Similarly you check this, apply, add. Then you close. So as you can see, we have 2 person here added, person 1 and person 2. So next thing we are going to see is how you have to do the annotation, right? So let us assume that this part is from person 1, this part is person 2, next is person 1 and person 2. So what we will do, you can see here different buttons are there. So what you do, you first go to option, segmentation mode, right? So now you have to go to segmentation mode, right? So in segmentation mode, you place your cursor near the beginning and then you adjust it by this plus or minus. This is for slight adjustment. Then you press enter and then you press the play button.
I'm having an illness here. I'm trying to beat this thing. One of the few joys of my life.
Then you pause it near the end and then you slightly adjust where you want to end the segment, and then again you press enter. So this is person 1. Now you go to person 2, use the down arrow key, it will go to person 2. Again you place your marker here, you adjust slightly by this button, plus and minus, and then again you press enter and then you press play.
The Howard Stern
and then
show.
You pause it and then again you adjust it, whether you want to go little forward or backward, again you press enter. So this is the second segment. Then again you change the person to person 1. Again you press enter once you are confirmed with the segment, and again you press play.
And the fact that you harass someone as great as Howard Stern, the fact that you would take this one joy away from me.
Again you pause it and then slightly adjust it till the end, right? And then again you press enter. Then again you change the person using down arrow key. Again you go to the beginning of the next segment. Again you press enter and then play it.
It's like saying to an AIDS patient, you take
pause it before the end, slightly adjust it, right? And then again you press enter. So this is how you create the segment, right? So we have 4 segments for person 1 and person 2, right? So then you simply save it, and if you again go back to annotation mode, you can see that all these segments are created here, person 1, person 2. And then you save this as EAF file. So simply you save this. Right? So this is how you do the segmentation part. In the next video, we are going to see how we are going to do the annotation part. So I'm ending this video.